Morning, this is Mike Oaks of Rockaway. We're at the Schmidt's residence. There was already an existing patio in the back. They have already some of the paradise that they're wanting. What we did was, the neighbor has a culvert in his yard. Each one of these houses, the water percolates down each one of the yards because they have a natural swale in the back that they made to go to the culvert. So we came in and we added drainage in the backyard and in the front yard. On the downspouts, we added drainage going all the way down to the lowest point of the yard. Everything now is going to flow. So the culvert, we took care of the drainage first. All the neighbors' dogs are trying to get to the little Chiweenies that are here. So what we did was, we put a barrier on the bottom, which is a 2x6 pressure treated wood. I sunk that down about 3.5 inches and left the top slightly visible. That's just so it deters the dogs from wanting to dig through the rock. And then also the neighbors' dogs won't be able to dig underneath it. Added rock throughout the whole entire backyard. 1/2-inch white river rock, stepping stones. We added giant palm trees, queen palms. We have a sugar palm, birds of paradise, blue days. We got orange bullbine. Gave her lots of little pops and colors, just trying to make sure that she has a little bit of that tropical feel in the backyard. We added a lot of the Bermuda. This is pretty much like the golf grass that you see on the golf courses. We added all the irrigation back here, just make sure we have proper water coverage on all the new plants. And then we added, the homeowners had some tiki and also miniature tiki fire pits. So we added all this in. Like I always say, no job too big or small. Tight areas, big areas. If you have standing water or you have water issues, we can tackle it. Anything you need, you just give us a call and we will take care of you.